Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths World. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is simultaneous equations. So let's start. As we know that what is a linear equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. This is a linear equation because it is saying that the two expressions are equal. It is saying that 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. Consider two linear equations. For example, 2x plus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus y is equal to 14. These two equations have same variables, that is x and y. So together such type of equations are called simultaneous equations. There are three methods for solving simultaneous equations. First is method of elimination by substitution, method of elimination by equating coefficients, and method of cross multiplication. In this video I will tell method of elimination by substitution. Take an example for solving it by method of substitution. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. To solve this, from any of these two equations we will find the value of any one variable. So here I am taking first equation and substituting the value of x. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 8x is equal to my plus 5y will go to that side in minus. 9 minus 5y. X is equal to 9 minus 5y. 8 will go in division. So the value of x is 9 minus 5y upon 8. And now we will put this value in second equation and then substitute. So 3, value of x is 9 minus 5y upon 8. So we will put this value in place of x, plus 2y is equal to 4. 3 nines are 27 minus 3 into 5 is 15 y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Now we will take the LCM as whole. So 27 minus 15y will be copied and there is nothing below 2y, so it is 1. 1 divided by 8 is 8 and 8 into 2y is plus 16y is equal to 4. 27 16y minus 15y is plus 5 upon 8 is equal to 4. 27 plus 5, 8 will go to that side in multiply. So 4 into 8 is 32. Y is equal to 27 will go that side in negative, 32 minus 27. So the value of y comes to be 5. Now we know the value of 5 and the value of y is 5. So we can easily calculate the value of x. X is equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. So x is equal to 9 minus 5. The value of y is 5. So upon 8. X is equal to 9 minus 5 5s are 25 upon 8. X is equal to 9 minus 25 is minus 16 upon 8. 8 into 16. So the value of x is minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is 5. Let's take one more example. So firstly we will solve the first equation and then the second equation. We can write as 2x minus 3 plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 into x is 2x, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 3 into y is 3y, plus 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 6 and minus 15 is minus 21 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 21 will go to that side in plus. 21. So this is our first equation. And now we will find the value of x. Plus 3y will go to that side in minus 21 minus 3y, and 2 will go to in division. So the value of x is 21 minus 3y upon 2. Now we will solve the second equation. We can write as 5 x minus 1 plus 4 y minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 into x is 5x, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, plus 4 into y is 4y, plus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 5 and minus 16 is minus 21 is equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 21 will go to that side in positive, plus 21. So this is our second equation. Now we will put the value of x in the second equation. We will put 21 minus 3y upon 2 in this equation. 5. The value of x is 21 minus 3y upon 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. 21 into 5 is 105 minus 5 into 3 is 15y upon 2 plus 4y is equal to 21. Now we will take the LCM as whole. So 105 minus 15y will be copied. 15y. There is nothing below 4y, so it is considered 1. 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 4y is plus 8y is equal to 21. So 105 minus 15y and plus 8y is minus 7y upon 2 is equal to 21. So 105 minus 7y is equal to 2 will go to that side in multiplication. 21 into 2 is 42 minus 7y is equal to 42 minus 105. 105 will go to that side in negative. So minus 7y is equal to minus 63. On subtracting 42 minus 105, so minus 7 will go to in division, minus 63 upon minus 7. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 7 9s is 63. So the value of y comes to be 9. Now we know the value of y. Value of y is 9. So now we can easily find the value of x. X is equal to 21 minus 3y upon 2. So 21 minus 3, we will put 9 in place of y upon 2. X is equal to 21. 3 9s are 27. So 21 minus 27 upon 2. X is equal to 21 minus 27 is minus 6 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6 and the value of x comes to be minus 3. I hope you have understood the method of substitution. In my next video, I will tell the method of elimination by equating coefficients. So, thank you for watching my video.